Hey everyone, Mónica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best essential oils for the face. We're going to up-level your skincare routine. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe right here in the red button. Don't forget that bell to let you know when I'm uploading a new video every week. So we're talking about the skin, most specifically the face, and I'm going to share two skin regimens that I have. I alternate between them. I prefer one a little bit more than the other, but I'm going to let you know, so stick around so you find out which one I prefer. And the skin is our largest organ. The skin on our face is our calling card. So we need to make sure that we take care of that skin like really, really well. One of the things that I learned from, it was almost like a second mom, was when I was 16 to take care of my skin and start a 3 or 4 step regimen routine of your skin care in terms of treating your skin. Cleaning it is important, toning it, and give it nutrition, if you will, and really hydrate. So there's really 4 steps in what I'm going to talk to you about. I actually tackled the skin in general, skin products. You can watch that right here. It's from toxic to low tox 101 with skin products. So check that out next. So I'm going to actually talk about 2 systems from doTERRA. And the first system that I'm going to talk about, actually, I'm going to alternate because I'm going to go by the steps of the skin routine, right? So there's going to be 2 lines. One is the Veráge line and the other one is the doTERRA Essential Skincare line. And I love them both, but you're going to let me know which one it seems that I prefer, okay? So let's talk about cleansing. All right, the first thing that you have to do with your face is clean it. And for that, there's 2 cleansers that I'm going to talk about. The first one is the Veráge cleanser, which is this one right here. Let's see if you can see it. No, you can see it. You can see it right here. It's almost empty. It's almost empty. It's like halfway. But this cleanser I apply to take off all my makeup, and I'm going to tell you what ingredients are in it. I'm not going to go through all of the ingredients. You can look that up. I'm going to link all of those up in the description. But basically, this Veráge cleanser has wild orange and basil, which are essential oils known for their ability to cleanse and purify. Melaleuca or tea tree is renowned for its cleansing and rejuvenating effect on the skin. Highly, highly cleansing. So if you have any issues, any acne issues or anything like that, you want to use Melaleuca on your skin. I actually talked about Melaleuca or tea tree, and you can check out this video right here on the benefits and uses of tea tree essential oil. So it also has amino acids and lipids to nourish and hydrate the skin. The coconut oil in it boosts the effectiveness of the natural surfactants. The olive oil hydrates the skin. Yes, olive oil is not just to eat. It's actually amazing for the skin. Then you have bitter orange fruit extract. So you've got a lot of citruses here. You've got tangerine fruit extract, and you have orange fruit extract. So a lot of essential oils, a lot of fruit extracts to really go deep in that cleansing. So I actually apply this Veráge cleanser when I want to take all my makeup off. So after I'm done this video, I'm probably going to use this to take all this mask. This is my second face, I call it. In the shower, however, there's something about the essential skincare cleanser. And I don't have that here because it's in my shower, but I'm going to post a picture of it right now. And this cleanser has some really interesting ingredients. It has yucca root extract and soap bark extract, which are really rich in saponins, which are natural cleansers that clarify and soothe your skin. It also has macadamia seed oil that conditions the skin. It has vitamin E to support healthy looking skin. It does have the sodium PCA, which is derived from proline. That's a natural amino acid and acts as a humectant, which helps retain skin's natural moisture. So here, this cleanser actually combines melaleuca or tea tree and peppermint, the certified pure tested grade from doTERRA. These two essential oils, they're so great to purify and tone the skin to support a healthy complexion. After the skin is clean, I usually use a very small face cloth, like a cotton, 100% cotton face cloth with warm water. You don't want to use it too hot or cold, because cold closes up your pores. So you want to open up your pores a little bit, but you don't want to burn your skin. So warm water is best. So the next step after you dry your skin is toning your skin. So I actually have two toners here. I have the Veráge toner. I'm going to make sure that you see this Veráge toner, and I have the doTERRA pore reducing toner from the Essential Skin Care line. And I'm going to go over the ingredients so that you can kind of understand why toning is important. Toning basically is going to balance the skin, close up your pores, and increase the hydration before the moisturizer, before the serum, before the moisturizer. So the doTERRA toner, this toner right here has a lavender, ylang ylang, and German chamomile. And these oils are really great to calm the skin. And it has fruit and plant extracts to tone and balance the skin, increase hydration, and visibly reduce the appearance of pores to support a healthy looking complexion. That's exactly what you want in a toner. You want the toner to kind of just gently close up your pores after you've washed and messed with the skin, just taking all its impurities out. It also has aloe and watermelon and apple extracts to tone and balance the skin. It also contains lentil extracts, which increase skin hydration, and it reduces the appearance of oily skin. So that's a really good one if you have oily skin. And then it has witch hazel, which is a natural astringent that helps remove that excess oil. So one of the ingredients of this is lavender. Lavender is all things calming. And I actually go over in this video about the top 20 benefits of lavender essential oil and how you should use it. That way you can really dive deeper into lavender. So the Veráge toner that I was showing you earlier, it combines the oils to also tighten and tone and smooth the skin. And the ingredients are ylang ylang to soothe the skin. Then it has coriander and cypress that are known for toning, soothing, and rejuvenating benefits. And then it also has palmarosa, which is known to help revive and balance the skin, and is a perfect everyday toner. It smells really fresh. It also has the witch hazel that has that astringent effect and is especially calming to the skin, and aloe as well, which aloe is very calming too. So the next step that you're going to have is your serum. So here, the serum is where you give it a lot of ingredients that are going to replenish and nourish the skin. So I've got two, and I have the Veráge hydrating serum, which is this one right here. And I don't know if you can see. Okay, there you go. It's almost empty. I gotta order more. And this is pure essential oils. It's so incredible, you guys. I love the smell of this serum, and I'm going to tell you what's in it and why you should use it. It's actually an anti-aging serum, and it combines, essential oils with specialized plant technology to promote optimal lipid balance for smoother, more youthful looking skin. It has frankincense, Hawaiian sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. So all of these really expensive and luxurious skin oils that are supporting healthy looking skin. Then the lipid complex goes above and beyond a typical moisturizer and mimics the skin surface lipids when at their prime. This serum also hydrates to deeply reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which you want, right? An anti-aging serum. And this advanced formula also combines the lipids of olive, jojoba, and macadamia oils to produce amazingly soft and smooth skin. This is probably one of my favorite facial products of all time. And trust me, before I was using non-toxic stuff. I was using very, very expensive things like, makeup counter type stuff. I'm telling you, this Veráge system, this serum specifically, surpasses so much more any of those brands. So the next one that I thought I had with me, let me see. Oh, yes, I do. Is the tightening serum. No, actually, I don't have a tightening stick. I have a brightening gel. This is not what I wanted to show you. But anyway, the tightening serum, that belongs to the Essential Skincare line. And that is a tightening serum. I actually love this serum as well. The Veráge serum is all, it really gives you that pure essential oil effect. And then the serum is a different type of texture, and it combines frankincense, Hawaiian sandalwood, and myrrh to do the same thing. So formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and promote skin hydration. It also has natural extracts and gum. So the rhizobium and acacia gum, which provide lifting benefits. Also has beech tree bud extract, which tightens and smooths the appearance of the skin. And then it has something that I cannot pronounce, which is perfluorodicalamide. That can't pronounce it. It rejuvenates the skin as it helps improve the skin renewal and elasticity. Okay, so the next step that you need to do is a moisturizer. And moisturizer is going to give you that really wonderful hydration that you need. And for that, I prefer this Veráge moisturizer. And I'm going to tell you why. I wanted to make sure that you see this. The Veráge moisturizer. It is very light. It dries non-greasy. It smells amazing. And you can really see that it's non-toxic. You can really feel that it's non-toxic because it combines really great oils like jasmine and geranium. It also has sea buckthorn berry and juniper berry with plant extracts for deep hydration and skin nourishment. So it's very light, but it hydrates very deeply. It also has shea butter and other emollients. It has vitamin E fatty acids, rice bran oil that penetrates deeply into the skin, acting as an effective moisturizer. It has this amur cork tree bark, which also conditions and soothes the skin. And it has that sandalwood, which is like one of the awesome, great oils for skin. So that is the Veráge moisturizer. Then you have the doTERRA moisturizer from the Essential Skincare line. And that one I don't have with me, I apologize, but it also combines the lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense. So all of these oils are highly nourishing and they provide anti-aging benefits, which is what you want. Peptides and botanicals, they target the visible signs of aging and improve skin tone and moisturizing to the skin. You're gonna age non anyway, right? But you wanna make sure that your skin is really healthy because that really slows down that aging process of the skin. It's not just what you eat, because that's very important, but what you apply in your skin. You wanna make sure that you give it really great ingredients. So this moisturizer has summer snowflake bulbs to promote a clearer, more even toned skin. And it also has olive fruit extract designed to moisturize skin overall, and those peptides to help firm and smooth the skin, improving the skin tone and texture to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Frankincense is a huge, great skin oil. And I actually talk about how to use frankincense essential oil for the body, mind, and spirit right here. So watch that next. Speaking of frankincense and incredible skin oils, I have two extra bonuses that I also use sometimes. The Immortelle anti-aging blend, which I have here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. The Immortelle, it comes in a 10 milliliter bottle, and you can actually apply this a little bit here. You may want to dilute a little bit because this is super strong, and that has all of those incredibly expensive oils such as frankincense, Hawaiian sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. So there's really, really wonderful immortelle because of helichrysum. Helichrysum is the immortelle flower. And it really is anti-aging. So you can actually use this on your face, on your neck, and your décolletage to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and aging skin. I would say dilute because this is very, very potent, is just essential oils, and it's an incredible blend. I actually go over the immortelle flower, the helichrysum, and you can watch that right here on how to use helichrysum essential oil topically. So the last product I'm going to talk about is a yarrow palm botanical nutritive duo, and it comes in a 30 milliliter bottle. I'm going to show you right here. This is, you guys, this is like next, I can't even tell you. This is blue. I don't want to make a mess here in my hands, but it has this chamazoline in it. So the yarrow palm is yarrow essential oil with cold pressed pomegranate seed oil. And this can be used on your face. You can mix it with your moisturizer, or you can actually put 1 or 2 drops under your tongue for this type of awesome benefit to promote collagen production. The main chemical components is punicic acid, which is an omega-5, antioxidants, beta-caryophyllene, and chamazoline, which is that very, very blue, makes it very, very blue, dark blue. It's vegan friendly. It's also kosher certified, and it may support cellular, immune, and nervous system function when taken internally. Obviously, more confirming research needs to happen for this, but I would definitely add this into your moisturizer. So you can put a little bit moisturizer in your hand and then put a drop or 2 of this, and it will go a long way to handle all your face and neck. I know there's a lot of products, but I wanted to give you these two doTERRA lines that are absolutely amazing. Obviously, I tend to use Veráge more, but there's really certain products of the essential skincare line that I gravitate towards. And so if you want to get these products at 25% off, please check out the description. I have 25% off link to all of these products. You can also get your doTERRA membership while you're doing that, so you can keep that 25% off discount. I hope you got major value from this video, and that I really covered my skincare routine deeply and going all in these incredible, incredible products that are the reason I'm really 100, you guys. Can you tell? I'm 100, but I don't look it. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.